Dress up on me, I really wanna test man for real. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for real. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I am reviewing the OUTRE Melted Hairline Unit in ZANDRA, and I have her in the color Cajun Spice. I want to say thank you to OUTRE for providing today's unit to review for you all. So let's just go ahead and jump into the review of today's unit. Side note, if you see me playing my hair and I push it back a little bit, I did only glue it down in the portion of where you can see my lace. I did not glue the sides down, but we can even start off here because that is something that I wanted to touch on. As you can see, they give you like an extreme amount of lace. They pull the ear flap area down pretty far because that actually goes way towards like almost the end of my ear. So you have a lot of lace to work with if you are someone who tends to feel like your lace falls short and doesn't come down enough. This will definitely probably be long enough for a lot of people. We can also jump into how well it blended. It blended into my scalp, into my hairline very well. As you guys can see, I did not add any baby hairs to my hair today. I was playing with my little edge brush, but I was just like, she looks like scalp. What am I adding edges for? How I'm feeling about her? You know, I feel like this is a really good quality wig in terms of no shedding, no tangling. Color is super nice. The size of the wig is very nice. The lace is very nice. Like literally all the key features of this unit, very well done. Like very well done, very well constructed unit. My personal opinion on like what I like. I'm not a fan of shorter units. I've just always been a bigger fan of having longer hair, or at least somewhat mid back length hair. I also will wear a bob. Don't get me wrong. I will wear a bob, a short look, but I've never been a fan of the short one side, long one side. I've just, for some reason, that has never been appealing to the eye to me. I think this is a really cute wig, but I just do not like the, what is it? Is it called asymmetrical? Yeah, I don't like when units are like this. So I'm very, very, very tempted to chop her and just make her even. But I wasn't sure if I was going to host like a giveaway on it. So that's why I'm like, I ain't going to cut it. I'm going to hold off on that. So be on the lookout because it's probably a unit that I am going to give away. So rating wise, if I am going to rate this unit based off how she acted, how she applied, all that stuff, then I'm going to give her a good 9 out of 10. My personal opinion on how I feel about the unit in terms of how much I like it, how much I would wear it, and it goes to like a 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10 because it's just not my favorite style. It's just not, but she's still cute, just not my favorite style. Pricing wise, I think this unit ranges at about 35 to 40. I will pull it up and double check. This unit ranges $35.99 right now on Elevate Style. So other websites are probably going to be around the same portion, probably about $34 to $40 depending on what color you get. Usually if you get color options, they do raise the price some, but if you stick with like a regular black color, they'll be just like that baseline price of like $34, $35. So good price. You're getting a really good quality unit. I like that the unit also even came out of the packaging flat. I didn't have to like do a whole bunch of flattening out the roots there. It also straightened really well with my flat iron. So this unit comes with a 2x5 lace. You have a lot of a lace exposure right here in the front of the unit, and then they give you pretty decent amount of lace space right here where your parting area is as well. Now the parting space is on your right side. If you do not prefer your unit to be on the right side, then this might not be the unit for you, because the way it's made, it cannot be switched over to where like in the middle or where on the left hand side. It's just gonna look a little bit strange. Please ignore my band-aid here. I had a little conniption when I was getting ready to film and I couldn't stop filming just because I had to put a band-aid on my face. Not cut myself, I kind of, long story, it just started bleeding, but I'm good. So that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.